Wow! Look at this! LIRR 2706 for Montauk, with DE30AC number 410 and C3 cab car number 5020. What's best of all is this train has 6 double-decker cars on it. Isn't this cool, Sherery?
Yeah, it's really awesome, Oliver.
It would be great if I was driving this train. Hey! Let's operate this train ourselves.
Do you think we might be in big trouble for this?
Oh, Sherery, I'm sure we won't get caught.
Okay.
I'll go for the engine. You go to the cab car.
Right.
Yes. The door's open. Okay, Sherery, I'm inside the engine. Are you in the cab car?
Yes, Oliver, I'm inside the cab car.
The train is about to depart. You ready?
Right.
Alright then. Now which one is the accelerator? This one right here. Alright, here we go.
Boy, I hope no one knows that 2 kids are operating this train.